Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's play Guess the Word. It'll give you 2 hints, and you try to guess the correct word. In this episode, there are 30 sets. At the end of the video, please write your score in the comments. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hint 1. It's a machine that keeps your food cold and fresh. Hint 2. It starts with R and is found in almost every kitchen. Right answer is refrigerator. Hint 1. It's a soft place where you rest your head while sleeping. Hint 2. It starts with P and is usually on your bed. Right answer is pillow. Hint 1. It's a device you use to send messages and make calls. Hint 2. It starts with P and you carry it everywhere. Right answer is phone. Hint 1. It's something you use to open a locked door. Hint 2. It's small and starts with K. Right answer is key. Hint 1. It's a place where you go to buy groceries. Hint 2. It starts with S and has lots of aisles. Right answer is supermarket. Hint 1. It's something you read to stay updated with the news. Hint 2. It starts with N and comes daily or weekly. Right answer is newspaper. Hint 1. It's a piece of furniture where you sit and relax. Hint 2. It starts with C and can have cushions. Right answer is couch. Hint 1. It's what you use to check the time on your wrist. Hint 2. It starts with W and is small and round. Right answer is watch. Hint 1. It's a room where you cook meals. Hint 2. It starts with K and has a stove. Right answer is kitchen. Hint 1. It's a type of footwear you wear for running or walking. Hint 2. It starts with S and comes in pairs. Right answer is sneakers. Hint 1. It's something you use to take a photo. Hint 2. It starts with C and captures memories. Right answer is camera. Hint 1. It's a long object you use to write with ink. Hint 2. It starts with P and fits in your hand. Right answer is pen. Hint 1. It's a drink that wakes you up in the morning. Hint 2. It starts with C and is usually hot. Right answer is coffee. Hint 1. It's where you sit while driving a car. Hint 2. It starts with S and faces the road. Right answer is seat. Hint 1. It's a place where you sleep at night. Hint 2. It starts with B and has pillows and blankets. Right answer is bed. Hint 1. It's something you carry your books and supplies in. Hint 2. It starts with B and goes on your back. Right answer is backpack. Hint 1. It's a round object you kick in a soccer game. Hint 2. It starts with B and rolls on the ground. Right answer is ball. Hint 1. It's a vehicle with 2 wheels that you pedal. Hint 2. It starts with B and is good for exercise. Right answer is bicycle. Hint 1. It's a small light you hold when it's dark. Hint 2. It starts with F and runs on batteries. Right answer is flashlight. Hint 1. It's a flat device you type on to write on a computer. Hint 2. It starts with K and has many buttons. Right answer is keyboard. Hint 1. It's something you wear to protect your eyes from the sun. Hint 2. It starts with S and is used outdoors. Right answer is sunglasses. Hint 1. It's something you use to cut paper or hair. Hint 2. It starts with S and has 2 sharp blades. Right answer is scissors. Hint 1. It's a room where you take a bath or shower. Hint 2. It starts with B and has a sink and toilet. Right answer is bathroom. Hint 1. It's a piece of cloth you use to dry your body after a shower. Hint 2. It starts with T and is usually soft. Right answer is towel. Hint 1. It's a person who teaches you at school. Hint 2. It starts with T and helps you learn. Right answer is teacher. Hint 1. It's a small thing you press to turn on a light. Hint 2. It starts with S and is on the wall. Right answer is switch. Hint 1. It's a place where you keep your clothes. Hint 2. It starts with C and has doors. Right answer is closet. Hint 1. It's a sweet treat that you often eat for dessert. Hint 2. It starts with I and melts when it's warm. Right answer is ice cream. Hint 1. It's something you put on your feet before wearing shoes. Hint 2. It starts with S and comes in pairs. Right answer is socks. Hint 1. It's a thing you use to open a bottle. Hint 2. It starts with O and fits in your hand. Right answer is opener. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.